Hello everyone. Uh, Today we will be discussing about the W trend. So if you look at this euro versus dollar chart on its 1 minute time frame, you can see I put a line objects. Like, so as you can see from here, it goes down here, and then from here it goes up here, and then here, and then we are targeting somewhere like this here, so that will correspond to the horizontal line, that is the resistance. Okay, so as you can see, this one here is the resistance when the price from here went up. And notice also that the RSI, this point, the RSI is high. Okay, then the next time it tried to go up, the RSI is also high. Again, a high RSI means that there is a lot of sellers than the buyers. That's why the price will go down. So in here, we are anticipating that the price will somehow reach this level again, okay, around this price. And if RSI during this time here is low, like near 30 or below, then it means that there will be a lot of buyers that will push the price even further, and that is a break point here that could lead to your target price, which is the depth of this from here up to this here. So that will be your uh, price target if it moves up. Okay, so that is how you will look. But of course, W pattern doesn't mean that it's always right. If it fails, then you have to look for another, you have to look for support. Obviously for this pattern, the biggest support is on this line here. Okay, because somehow price could also move sideways with this high and this low in a rectangular fashion. This one here, this one, like that, wherein it bounced up, down, up, down, okay, before it will break. So that is all about the W pattern for today, and see you on my next video.